Hi, I'm Sammy, and last Thursday we had our Cougars Rising Patch Assembly, and it was a really, really nice experience. So I was lucky enough to receive a patch, and for a little bit of context, Cougars Rising is a program we have here at school, and every month from September to March, each of the letters of Cougars, C-O-U-G-A-R, is representative of a specific word. For example, C is community, and anytime somebody shows an example of any of the words, community, optimism, unity, etc., they receive a bracelet, and there's also other things you can get to get more points. And I just feel very lucky to have been part of that, because being in a program or being in a school that has a program that uplifts students in a positive way, it's really nice to see that there's incentives for people being good. Because, anybody can just do a good act, and nobody ever does it to get noticed, but getting that recognition always feels really nice. And for the assembly itself, it was really, really well put together. Miss Riley had a really beautiful speech, and we had a student speaker, Christabel, talked about her experience as a top points earner for the PAT program, which was really sweet. And just being up on that stage, hearing my name get called, it felt like an honor to be recognized in that way. The Cougars.